mama taught me better. Money getting heavy, it's strong like I'm a hammer. You got new bandana, all black, G not like them steppers. I just found the attic, bitch, I'm focused with my nigga to the roof. The roof, the roof, the roof, the roof. Turn me up, don't turn me down, I tell a pussy let me through, let it move, yeah, bitch. Get out my way.
I'm gonna just get to the chase. Let me show you the only reason you need to buy this truck. Because it's a TRX. No, I'm just kidding. That right there is why you should buy this truck. So what I really like about the TRX is they didn't just do a little fender flare, they actually did a wide body kit. They put actual wide body fenders on it instead of just the flares like a wide body Scat Pack. So it's a 6.2 supercharged, basically it's a truck with a Hellcat motor. It's got 702 horsepower instead of 707 like a Hellcat. They all come with big mud tires. That's about as much I can tell you about a tire. So cool thing about the Rams, and this comes in most Rams other than the classics, they have this little door right here, and there's a button right here. You hit the button, got a little hidden compartment. It's pretty nice. You can put all kinds of stuff in there. The TRXs come with 4 extra tire pressure sensors, depending on which wheels you get, in case you need to use them, change the tires or whatever. This one comes with the Harman sound system, one of the best sound systems you can get. I can't think of any sound system that sounds better than this. The back seat's pretty spacious. You lift these up, there's no button or anything, they just lift up and they lock in place. They don't fall down while you're driving. They're pretty stable, and there's a shit ton of space in here. This is, I mean, you can honestly go to sleep in there. That's just a drain plug.
Oh, okay.
It's for the dual pan sunroof. It's got full wheel drive, TRX. If you want to buy this one, it's not all stock. I'm very glad they did not put the split tailgate on this one. Normally on the limited Ram 1500, you can get a split tailgate, so it can either come down or it can split in the middle and open 2 ways. But that's a lot of extra weight. Alright, so have a seat. I'll show you some more about it. My favorite part about the TRX is it comes with launch control. That is dope. Then you got your full wheel drive buttons. You got trailer tow. You got all your auxiliary ports. If you hook up lights or anything to the truck, you can turn them on with these buttons. You don't have to add anything. Comes with park sensors. You got sensors in the front, sensors in the rear. Go ahead and start it. It's got a very beefy sound to it.
Hell yeah.
So the TRX comes with a bunch of different modes. You have auto mode, you have custom mode, you can set it to all kinds of different things. can have you got rock mode.
Have no watch on the picture.
You got Baja mode. You got sport mode and tow mode, and then also snow mode. So if you look over at the radio, this one comes with a 12-inch display. Let's turn this down. Loud. Screen's pretty neat. This truck comes with heated seats, vented seats, heated steering wheel. Comes with the surround sound camera system, so you can see all the way around you. The reason why this side is black is because the driver's door is open. If you open up the doors, it'll cut that side off. It's kind of a safety measure in case you don't realize the door is open while you're trying to back up. There's a bunch of different camera modes for the back, and you also have a camera on the front in case you're trying to pull up to a parking spot. You need to be able to see. And then there's also a hidden camera. If you look up at the rear view mirror, you flip it up, there's another camera.
That's dope.
And then this camera can also move a little bit. It can go up or down depending on, basically if you're trying to hook up a fifth wheel, this would come in handy. One last thing about the interior that I really love. So most 1500s come with the volume kind of shift knob where you turn it. This one comes with an actual shift lever.
Oh yeah, they don't. Yeah.
It's not the knob. That is like one of my favorite things about this truck.
And it got the
So you got the plaque, tells you the VIN number and the build model and the engine. If you open this up and look inside the center console, on the bottom here it shows you a size comparison between a T-Rex, truck, and a human.
That's dope, man. You got some kind of measurement thing.
Honestly, I don't know what any of this is. I still don't know what this stuff is.
That's dope. That's from Alcantara right there.
Yep.
Everybody's going with the Harman now too.
Yeah, the fully loaded ones come with Harman systems. You can either have the Harman system or you get the Alpine system.
I feel like I have to get a
12-inch.
No, I got 12
cover?
inches, my brother. No, but a cover, you know, for fingerprints and scratches and different stuff like that on there. Yeah, this is nice.
Yep.
I like when you were changing the things, how it was showing different pictures.
Yeah.
Depending on, that's dope. They did a damn good job with these. And it's high as hell off the ground.
Oh, you gotta show this. You
What's that?
gotta come see this. This truck has active shocks in the rear. You can actually adjust it. And depending on what you're doing, this is definitely gonna help you out if you're going off-road.
He look like when Lil Wayne did that with it. He like, and this is a 20-inch. Look how it compared to me. You sit next to the tire. You don't remember that? That was like early 2000s,
No,
man.
I've never seen that.
Yeah, it's a nice ass truck.
There's lights all over it. I'm gonna turn the lights on for you. They did an excellent job designing this truck. You actually have real vents. This vent works, these vent works, this vent works.
Pictures of it, I swear my phone's full.
That's what she said.
The guy on YouTube put 37. He didn't even lift it, just put 37. Oh yeah. He's got plenty of height. Oh yeah. What kind of tire shine y'all use?
I have no idea.
Yeah, we had
Them was shining.
Yeah.